Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing power and Bluetooth so nothing interrupts pairing. Make sure the case and both earbuds are fully charged. Low battery causes failures. Once done, turn Bluetooth on your phone and close other audio apps to avoid conflicts. Open the case and remove both earbuds together. They auto-power and attempt to pair to each other first, then broadcast a pairing signal. Now look for JBL Tune 120 TWS in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap to connect. You'll hear confirmation when paired. You now confirm stereo roles and finalize settings so audio stays stable. Once connected, check left/right balance in your phone's sound settings to ensure proper stereo imaging. Small phones sometimes switch roles. Use the earbud's physical buttons for play/pause and calls. Press and hold engages the pairing mode if you need to reinitiate. If your phone asks which earbud to use as primary, choose the right or the one with stronger signal. Make sure volume sync is on so both earbuds change level together. You finish by validating everyday use and knowing one quick fix. Play a 30 to 60 second stereo track to confirm left/right audio mic and call behavior. If one earbud is silent or stutters, place both back in the case, close for 5 seconds, then reopen to force a fresh reconnection. If problems persist, forget the device on your phone and perform a factory reset by pressing and holding both earbud buttons for about 10 seconds. Then repeat the pairing steps to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.